It was a bittersweet day for the Marcus Garvey Technical High School family in St. Anne as the search for missing teacher Rochelle Williams came up short. However, a 14-year-old student who was also reported missing has made contact with her family. More in this report.
You will direct us, Lord. Today, God, our efforts will bear fruit. Rochelle Williams, we call you forth in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
The search is still on for missing Marcus Garvey Technical High School teacher Rochelle Williams. On Tuesday, the police, along with staff and students of the school, friends and family, led a search party for Ms. Williams, who has been missing for almost a week. She was last seen on Wednesday, September 15, at home by her mother. However, the family received a report that she was seen in Brownstown that same day, and so the team went searching. According to the police, they do not suspect foul play. However, as time goes by, there is heightened fear that she may be in danger.
The situation now is these coordinated efforts that we'll be having. We'll be going through several communities of Goshen and other areas along with the teachers to see what positive news we can unearth with regards to Rochelle.
President-elect of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, Winston Smith, was also part of the search team.
We are mindful of the impact her disappearance would have had on the education sector. Teachers from right across the length and breadth of Jamaica has been calling, texting to inquire whether or not she has been found. The Jamaica Teachers Association stands in solidarity with all teachers, and we are here to make sure that we give up our best in trying to rescue, retrieve, or find her.
And from Brownstown to Goshen to Orange Hill and Benin, the team handed out flyers with the photograph of the missing teacher. Her colleagues have described her as a dedicated math teacher. They're appealing to anyone with information to notify the police. Principal of the Marcus Garvey Technical High School says the matter of missing people is very concerning.
And I call on every Jamaican, everyone hearing this, to let us together be more sensitive, to be more vigilant in going forward and making adjustments to how we respond to missing persons. We will have to do more. We will have to become more and become better as we go about tackling this reality in our country of people going missing all the time.
Meanwhile, as the search was in progress, the police received some good news. A family member of a female student who was also missing informed the police that she contacted them.
Although we are still praying earnestly for Miss Williams, it definitely has brought a smile to our faces to know that Amanda is alive and well.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.